So, welcome to 2 Minute Story, Day 2. My good friend Katsy put in the comments camel, snowy mountain, car ride. So, that's what we're going with. So, the camel is going on a car journey up the snowy mountain, and it's going up the mountain in order to see someone. Now, who's it going to see? Well, that's kind of for you to decide. We'll figure that one out later. But the roads are going to be treacherous, and the camel is going to be docile in the back of the car. And while the camel is traveling, it's going to dream. And the different dreams it's going to have is of different locations. It's going to dream of oases and deserts and warm winds, while outside there's a blizzard going. And those within the car are going to have to experience and get through the blizzard. There'll be a few plot holes along the way. When I say plot holes, I'm talking road holes. So a tire's going to give out, and they're going to need to repair it. So this is what they're going to do. And we're going to have three characters. We're going to have a little girl in the back of the car. We're going to have the father, who will be the vet, and the mother, who will be the driver. And the car will be a long car, and the camel will be a baby camel. And up the mountain, they're going to go. And this is today's 2 Minute Story. So thank you, Katsy, for those words. For everybody else, please leave some words in the comments, and we'll see how tomorrow goes. Hope you enjoyed today. Bye for now.